Hello student, welcome to the Radio Star Academy. This is your best platform for your study and I am Kailash sir, your biology teacher. In our book, two types of nutrition. First is what? Autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition. And second is what? Heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition. What is auto? Auto. This word means itself. Self. Trophic. Trophic means to consume.
Nutrition. Trophic means nutrition.
To nourishment, ऐसा लिख देते हैं, to nourishment, या यहाँ ऐसा भी लिखा जाता है, एनर्जी लेवल. What does it mean? Autotrophic nutrition. In this activity, the living organism itself generate energy through which the food is taking. Whenever the food is taking, itself generate energy. Those are not to be dependent to the another one or other ones, and therefore this activity takes place mostly in plants. This activity takes place in plants. ऑटोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन का पोर्शन या भाग जो है वो हम डिटेल में पढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट स्टेप में. पहले देखते हैं हेटरोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन क्या होता है. तो पहला हमने पॉइंट डिक्लेयर किया ऑटोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन. ऑटोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन में हम देखते हैं कि लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म अपना भोजन स्वयं तैयार कर लेते हैं. दोज आर नॉट टू बी डिपेंड टू द अनदर लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड दिस एक्टिविटी इज टू बी अ ऑटो मीन्स इटसेल्फ सेल्फ. Trophic means to be nourishment or to energy level, to maintain energy level, and therefore this is takes place in mostly plants as well as some bacteria and cyanobacteria. This cyanobacteria is known as blue-green algae. ब्लू ग्रीन अलगी कहा जाता है. शायद आपने कभी देखा होगा समुद्र में या तालाब में या पॉन्ड, लेक, रिवर और स्टोर्ड वाटर जहां भी प्लेस में पाया जाता है, उन सभी में मोस्टली दे आर ग्रीनिश एरिया और ग्रीनिश नेटवर्क. This greenish network of the plant-like body are very microscopic body. This body is known as a cyanobacteria or it is known as a blue-green algae. आगे का डिस्कस नेक्स्ट स्टेप में करते हैं. अब देखते हैं सबसे पहले हम ऑटोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन के बाद में हेटरोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन. हेटेरो मीन्स व्हाट? हेटेरो मीन्स डिपेंडेंस टू other. These are also known as decomposer. इन्हें decomposer भी कहा जाता है. Trophic, again trophs are trophic, that means to be a to nourishment. organism which is to be depend to the other one. Whenever the, just like an example of such a bacteria, most of the bacteria, they are fungi, they are dependent to the decomposition of plant and animal body. Whenever the plant and animal body after death, it becomes decomposed, degrade by the decomposition and degradation through which this bacteria and some fungi help to decompose. Most of the bacteria, they get degraded and converted into organic and inorganic form of molecules. These organic and inorganic form of molecules are components, they are used by this bacteria and help to nourishment or providing nutrients to the soil also. Therefore, these are hetero. चलिए सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं ऑटोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन के बारे में। यहां हमने एग्जांपल लिख दिया है, यहां एग्जांपल लिख देते हैं बैक्टीरिया, फंजाई, आगे बढ़ते हैं। Now, in generally autotrophic nutrition, those nutrients which is to be takes place are those nutrients which is to be takes place by the natural activity like plants. In plants, photosynthesis takes place. In plants, photosynthesis takes place. This photosynthetic activity takes place in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Now this activity in chemical reaction like as CO2 plus H2O in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll converted into C6H12O6. This C6H12O6 means glucose, and this glucose is a type of carbohydrate. Glucose is a type of carbohydrate. It is a simple carbohydrate and release of free oxygen. Now in this reaction, the inorganic form of CO2, this CO2 is inorganic. Inorganic form of CO2 plus inorganic form of H2O. Inorganic form of H2O converted into organic form of glucose. This is the organic form. In presence of sunlight and chlorophyll and release of free oxygen, where the reaction is becomes balanced, here written as 6. Now carbon, here carbon is 6, here carbon is 6, here oxygen is 12 plus 6, 18, here 6 plus 12, 18, and hydrogen, it is 6 into 2, 12, here 12. That means the reaction is completely balanced. Now, in this reaction, CO2 released in atmosphere by the animals. All animals releases of CO2 in environment, and this environmental CO2 get consumed by the plants. Therefore, plants are dependent to directly or indirectly to the animals, as well as animals are dependent to plants, and therefore it is the inorganic form of CO2 and inorganic form of H2O. This inorganic form of CO2 is present in our atmosphere, releases by the animals, and therefore this atmospheric CO2 is utilized by plant, as well as H2O. This H2O where xylem conducting tissue, xylem conducting tissue to conduct water, and therefore root to consume water. Those the root consume water by the internally tissues. This tissue is known as xylem conducting tissue, and therefore water consumption through the soils. In presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigmented cells. Green pigmented cells. This sunlight is a light or visible light. Here the process of inorganic CO2 and inorganic H2O converted into organic form of glucose in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. This reaction is known as a photosynthesis. Okay? Now again, the inorganic form of CO2 and inorganic form of H2O converted into organic form of glucose in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. This reaction is known as photosynthesis. Now this photosynthesis is natural phenomena, natural process. Because of here CO2 and H2O in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll converted into organic form of glucose. This glucose when get a split. This glucose is a food. This glucose is a food for plants or every plants. हर एक प्लांट का फूड क्या है? कार्बोहाइड्रेट है, ग्लूकोज है। भाई हम जो है ये वैरायटी ऑफ फूड लेते हैं। ह्यूमन बीइंग की बात कर ली जाए तो ढेर सारे टाइप के हम खाना लेते हैं, आहार लेते हैं, फूड लेते हैं, लेकिन प्लांट्स कभी ऐसा नहीं करेगा कि उसे फैट चाहिए, उसे मिनरल चाहिए, उसे विटामिन चाहिए या उसे प्रोटीन चाहिए, बट ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं लेगा। वो क्या करेगा? ओनली फोटोसिंथेसिस के द्वारा सिर्फ और सिर्फ कार्बोहाइड्रेट लेता है। दिस कार्बोहाइड्रेट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ग्लूकोज। अब प्लांट में फैट्स, विटामिन, मिनरल्स, प्रोटीन्स कहां से जाते हैं? थ्रू विच द xylem conducting tissue, and this xylem conducting tissue help to providing minerals, and this all minerals are all जो है essential components through which the phloem conducting tissue. Now this xylem conducting tissue water supply, phloem conducting tissue mineral supply, and therefore this minerals conducting tissue help to providing through which the phloem. Okay, so this is the simple way of photosynthesis. What does it mean? The inorganic CO2 and inorganic H2O converted into organic form of glucose. Inorganic CO2 and inorganic H2O. CO2 और वाटर जो है यह इनऑर्गेनिक फॉर्म के मॉलिक्यूल्स सनलाइट और क्लोरोफिल के प्रेजेंस में ऑर्गेनिक फॉर्म के ग्लूकोज का निर्माण करते हैं। इसे हम फोटोसिंथेसिस कहते हैं। Now here water H2O is also released, free oxygen भी रिलीज होता है। This free oxygen is utilized by the animals. फिर से जो है ये एनिमल्स के लिए उपयोग में आएगा एंड अगेन एनिमल रिलीजेस CO2 टू द एनवायरमेंट एज this simultaneously animals are dependent to the plants and plants are dependent to the animals. Okay.